Hello everyone, we are delighted that you have chosen our Sun Farm channel. Have you ever been curious about the lives of deer farmers, their daily work, and how they create amazing velvet products? Let's explore and learn more about the secrets behind these valuable fibers, and you will be surprised by the fascinating things they bring. Imagine a world where millions of natural deer exist, carrying within them a marvelous secret. They are not just cute and wild creatures, but also a source of one of the most precious materials, velvet. Velvet from deer antlers not only holds high economic value, but is also considered a symbol of luxury and sophistication. But behind that beauty and value lies a wonderful story of nurturing and caring for millions of deer. It is an art that combines deep understanding of nature, meticulousness, and human patience. From daily feeding and care to protecting them from harsh environments, every step in the deer farming process requires precision and dedicated care. Deer farming is not just a stable source of income, but also brings about numerous multi-dimensional benefits. Harvesting antlers from deer not only helps create high-quality products, but also plays a crucial role in medicine, bringing significant commercial value. Moreover, extracting meat from deer provides a nutritious and delicious food source, meeting human nutritional needs naturally and healthily. Furthermore, deer contribute to environmental cleanliness and ecological balance, helping conserve and develop animal populations, contributing to the prosperity and sustainability of natural habitats, maintaining breeding populations, promoting ecotourism, and utilizing them in hunting activities. Under the skies of many countries worldwide, deer farming has flourished significantly, especially in prominent locations like New Zealand, Australia, the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, China, Russia, and several other European countries. These lands are not just destinations for modern agriculture, but also the foundation for the thriving and diverse care and nurturing of deer herds. New Zealand is the largest supplier of deer velvet, with approximately 1.2 million deer across 3,000 farms. These farms provide extensive areas for growing deer food, creating a natural breeding environment. Deer farms for antler velvet production are not only home to millions of deer, but also a combination of meticulous care, specialized knowledge, and modern technology to create high-quality velvet products that meet market demand while ensuring the health of the deer herd. At large-scale deer farms, every aspect of caring for millions of deer for antler velvet harvesting is carefully organized and scientifically managed. The first impressive aspect is the scale of the farm. Millions of deer are cared for and nurtured in a vast space with logically divided areas. Daily care starts with providing diverse and nutritious food for the deer. Farm workers have learned how to adjust the diet to suit each stage of deer development, from calves to mature deer. Proper nutrition control is crucial to ensure their healthy growth and the production of high-quality velvet. Moreover, healthcare for deer is carried out meticulously. Preventive measures and regular vaccinations are implemented following the correct procedures. This not only keeps the deer healthy, but also ensures that the quality of velvet is not affected by health issues. Another important aspect is managing the deer's living environment. This involves not only ensuring they have enough space for natural movement, but also controlling temperature, humidity, and other environmental factors. This helps create a favorable environment, reduces stress for the deer, and enhances velvet production capabilities. The process of reproduction and development of deer is not just a biological event, but also a miraculous journey for the growth and survival of this species in nature. It is a wonderful and miraculous process in the animal world. Every aspect of this process unfolds naturally and surprisingly. Male and female deer typically begin the reproductive process in spring, when the days lengthen and temperatures rise. This is when they start exhibiting signs of rut, a crucial period in attracting mates for mating. Subsequently, the mating process occurs either in the natural environment or is controlled on deer farms. After fertilization, The gestation period of female deer lasts about 240 to 262 days, depending on the deer species. During this time, female deer often seek a secluded and safe place for giving birth. The birthing process of deer usually occurs peacefully and carefully, with the mother deer nurturing the fawn tenderly and attentively. Deer fawns, when born, are usually weak and entirely dependent on their mothers. They are cared for, nurtured, and protected affectionately by their mothers in the early stages of life. Gradually, they begin to explore the surrounding world and learn survival skills and foraging. To conceal their scent from potential predators, mother deer lick the fluid on the fawn's body after birth, and the fawns consume their urine. Deer are born with spotted fur, but they lose this coat after a few months. Deer fawns rely on their mother's milk in the first few weeks of life before transitioning to solid food. A female deer will nurse fawns 4 to 5 times a day for the first 4 months, even after they start chewing grass. Fawns learn from their mothers which plants are safe to eat. Deer fawns grow rapidly, and within a few months they can weigh between 60 to 70 lbs. During this time, they start venturing out a bit more, but still stay close to their mothers for protection. Female deer typically stay with the herd and their mothers for life, unlike male deer, who may venture alone or join a herd after about 2 years. However, on many farms, farmers often create separate areas for deer fawns, providing a stable and manageable environment. Additionally, they can regularly monitor their health status and provide medical care if needed. Around 4 to 5 months old, deer fawns will begin walking and adapting to the natural living environment. The subsequent development process includes foraging, developing adaptability to the environment, and undergoing basic developmental stages from fawns to adulthood. The food source that people provide for deer mainly consists of natural and nutritious foods. In the natural environment, deer often eat leaves, tree shoots, green grass, and some types of fruits. However, when raised on farms, deer food is managed and provided meticulously. Dry grass and green grass are the main food sources that people take care of and harvest from large grass fields. To ensure deer receive enough nutrients, dry grass is processed and stored carefully to maintain its quality and nutritional value. Green grass is also cultivated and preserved meticulously to create a natural and nutrient-rich food source for deer. Additionally, people supplement the deer's diet with supplementary foods such as sugarcane pulp, rice bran, and some other protein-rich foods. Combining natural foods with supplements ensures that deer not only grow healthy, but also have enough energy to adapt to their living environment and daily activities. Therefore, a balanced and diverse food source plays a crucial role in caring for and nurturing deer on farms. From the time deer are young, the care process by farmers begins immediately, from nurturing, protecting, to hygiene and health maintenance. When deer are born, farmers ensure that they are protected from harsh weather conditions and any risks from the external environment. They regularly check the health of the deer, ensure they receive enough nutrients from their mother's milk, and do not encounter any health issues. As deer start consuming solid food, farmers provide them with a balanced and nutrient-rich diet. The food is carefully prepared and monitored to ensure quality and safety. Additionally, hygiene for deer is an important part of the care process. Deer enclosures are usually cleaned and disinfected regularly to maintain a clean living environment and minimize infection risks. Deer fur is also groomed regularly to remove dirt and attached insects, helping deer maintain their beauty and health. This hygiene and care process is not just a daily routine, but also an expression of love and respect that farmers have for their four-legged friends. Deer antlers are an essential part of their body and undergo a unique development process. Antlers begin growing when deer are young, and they continue to grow throughout their lives. Initially, antlers are small and soft, then they grow larger and harder over time. The development of antlers usually peaks during the mating season, when they become large and strong for competition and attracting mates. The velvety antlers of deer like a delicate work of natural art, are a marvel of arrangement and uniqueness. Formed from protein and calcium, these antlers are not just symbols of strength, but also masterpieces of endless creation. At their most basic, they start with a soft core containing blood vessels and nourishing cells. Surrounding the core is a layer called velvet, soft and full of vitality, providing nutrients for antler growth. As the antlers grow, the velvet layer sheds, revealing the hard antler underneath. This is not just a natural engineering feat, but also a symbol of inherent strength and beauty. Every crack, every circle, tells a unique story of deer life and struggle in the wild. The velvet antlers are covered by a soft velvet layer, with blood vessels supplying nutrients for antler growth. On average, a deer can yield from 100 to 300 kilos of velvet, depending on the species, age, nutrition, and living conditions. Harvesting deer antlers is a meticulous and technical process that is typically done annually. This process begins when the deer antlers grow large and reach maturity. Caretakers usually choose the appropriate time for harvesting to ensure that the antlers have fully developed and are of the best quality. Antler harvesting is usually done using necessary tools and safety techniques. Caretakers approach the deer gently and carefully, ensuring no discomfort or pain is caused to the animal. Then, they use specialized antler cutting tools to remove the antlers carefully and precisely, ensuring no harm is done to the deer. Antler harvesting is not just about extraction, it is also an important ritual performed with respect and gratitude for the existence and strength of the animals. Additionally, it ensures sustainable harvesting of antlers without negatively impacting the health and development of the deer. To preserve harvested deer antlers, appropriate measures must be taken to avoid decay or damage. First, the antlers need to be thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt and debris. Then, they need to be sterilized and air-dried, or placed in a dry environment to prevent bacterial and fungal growth. This helps preserve the deer antlers for a long time without losing color or deteriorating. Furthermore, at large factories specializing in deer antler harvesting, all processes are carried out carefully and professionally to ensure the highest quality. First, when the antlers reach suitable size and weight, experts proceed with the harvesting process with dedication and precision. The harvesting process typically begins with sedating or anesthetizing the deer to ensure safety for both the animal and the staff. Then, specialized tools are used to carefully remove the antlers from the deer's head without causing pain or harm. The harvested antlers are then transported to laboratories or processing facilities to undergo various cleaning and processing procedures to produce high-quality deer antler products. With modern technology and professional production processes, harvesting deer antlers at large factories not only yields safe products, but also ensures respect for and protection of natural resources. Exporting deer antlers to countries worldwide is becoming increasingly important in the rare animal industry. Deer antlers, with their special historical and medical value, have attracted the interest of many countries for use in traditional medicine and medical applications. Exporting deer antlers not only helps expand the market and increase sales for manufacturers, but also contributes to the economic development of producing countries. At the same time, accessing international markets also provides opportunities for researchers and businesses to develop products dependent on raw materials from deer antlers. However, exporting deer antlers also requires careful care and management to ensure compliance with regulations and standards regarding wildlife protection. This includes ensuring sustainability in resource extraction and utilization while protecting the rights of animals. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family. Your support is a great encouragement for us to create more quality content. Lastly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos. We are always striving to bring you useful information, tips, and real agricultural experiences. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep following us. Hello and thank you for being here with us.